Hi, my name's Anastasia. I'm an account manager and I've rated ClickUp a 5 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click the link below. So at my office, what we use ClickUp for is everything. Not only just our task management system, we also use it as a communication tool between our teams. We use it to help hub a lot of our information and documents. It's an all-around platform that does way more than just task management. One of my favorite things about ClickUp is the endless possibilities for different types of boards. You can create reporting boards, you can create specific dashboards, and you can custom tailor it to each individual so that way they don't have to look at all of the noise if they don't want to. It has a really great interface that just lets you use it in a flexible fashion and just focus on what you need to focus on. The only thing I'd say I don't really like about ClickUp is the fact that when it comes time to link different boards to certain tasks that are created, it can get a little hairy. There is a trick to it, and when not everybody's on the same page, it can get very, very confusing very quickly, and things can get lost. So I'd say that's the only thing, is making sure that you know how to link the tasks together.